Ahead of the assembly polls in the state, the BJP is all set for a mammoth rally in Jaipur today. Party President Rajnath Singh and Narendra Modi are expected to address the rally, but controversy steams ahead with what is being labelled as the party's unusual move to woo the minorities.
After his aggressive attack in Chhattisgarh, BJP poll panel chief is set to sharpen his 2014 pitch in Jaipur rally in Rajasthan.
It might be Vasundhara Raje's show in Jaipur, but expect Modi to stick to his all-out attack on Congress mode, keeping Delhi in mind that he started in Hyderabad.
But controversy is already brewing ahead of his visit, this time on party's unusual campaign to woo minorities to his rally.
अल्पसंख्यक प्रकोष्ठ की बैठक में उन्होंने खुद ने निश्चित किया है कि वो एक अलग से टोपी लगाकर उस वेशभूषा में आएंगे ताकि ये मिथक भी टूट जाए कि नरेंद्र भाई मोदी की सभा से मुस्लिम दूर रहते हैं।
तो हमारा ये एस्टीमेट है कि अजमेर हमारा जो क्षेत्र दरगाह क्षेत्र से मिनिमम 500 आदमी और अजमेर एरिया से कम 1,500-2 हज़ार मुस्लिम्स की आबादी को हम लेकर जाएं और उनकी जो सभा है उसको हम कामयाब बनाएं।
But Congress mocked BJP's appeasement tactics in the poll-bound state, leading to a war of words.
The party, which always adhered to a parochial attitude towards the minority, is during the election is trying to entice them, and this exposes the dual character.
क्योंकि कांग्रेस का वोट रहा है 60 साल तक, जिसके आधार पर राजनीति की है, काम धाम कुछ किया नहीं है, अब उसका वोट खिसक रहा है, तो उसको रात में भी दिन नजर आने लगा है.
But even as Modi is expected to attack the centre in the Jaipur rally, his own national ambitions are under cloud, with a deep divide within the BJP over prime ministerial candidature.
Unlike the Congress party, there is no Rag Darbari in the BJP. We discuss, we have differences, we have viewpoints, but once a decision is taken, everyone stands united. That's how the party functions, and parliamentary board is the appropriate forum for that.
So even as Modi gears up for his poll pitch in Jaipur, all eyes will be on whether he will be able to win with this secular move and unite the party for 2014. Bureau Report, Times Now.